Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us. Above us only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's no country. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for. And no religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace. Ooh, you may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will live as one.
Even law is that we should never listen any negative things about anyone in the world. Moment you entertain to hear and listen something wrong, incorrect, bad news even about virus, that viruses are very bad, bacteria is very bad, Vachulanam is very bad, always try to eat neurons. The neurons should know how to protect itself. Vachulanam has to eat something. Therefore never try to criticize and have any negative thought against any creation of the cosmos. But it is very difficult when you pay attention to each and every part of head to toes. Within each and every perception you will find all kind of viruses, bacteria are there. But I say repeatedly, all prophets exist everywhere in all parts, in each and every change. But I am also telling that all viruses, bacteria also exist there. Therefore, when you try to love all changes, the love is called the Kutas consciousness, then you will find all are happy. All creations, viruses, bacteria, plants, animals, human beings, angels, all are very happy. Iktishwagiri was very strong. After the end of the life, he was all the time head and spine vertical. When he left body in lotus posture in the same way. Because his talking style, living style was perfect. But remember, you have to read about Iktishwagiri in Autobiography of Yogi. Then you will appreciate a person who lived like that. Should be very strong in your commitment, in your practice. Only he was 11 years with Lahiri Maharshi, living not all the time with him, visiting now and then. He reached to such a great height, unparalleled, that he was having an opportunity to train Paramahansa Yogananda, who was with Babaji. Lahiri Maharshi, Paramahansa Yogananda, all were in the one group and they came one by one how to help here. Iktishwagiri got an opportunity to train Paramahansa Yogananda. Therefore I request all of you, just follow them sincerely. Practice Kriyayoga meditation sincerely.